Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in the Midnight Walkers game. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. So the first fix is steps to fix sound problem in Midnight Walkers. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on System. Then click on Sound. Scroll down. Click on More Sound Settings. And then select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on Properties. Then go to the Spatial Sound tab, and here set the spatial sound to off and then hit apply. OK, and then you can launch the game and check if the sound problem has been fixed or not. If not, then if spatial sound is already turned to off, then select Windows Sonics for headphones, hit apply. OK, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if the sound or audio issues has been fixed in the Midnight Walkers game or not. If not, then follow the other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 2 makes your sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Midnight Walkers game menu and ensure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bar are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, you may like to try using a speaker to see if any sounds play. Fix 3. Step to fix audio problem in the Midnight Walkers if you are using Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Now go to services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Hit on apply and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if the problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. Fix 5 is to update audio driver. So open device manager and click on sound, video and game controllers. Right click on your audio device and click on update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers and wait for the process to be completed. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. And then you can check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio issues in the Midnight Walkers game. So that's all for this video.